I just got back from work, so excuse the tired, not so fabulous outfit, but I'm excited to open this package, so I thought I can film on a work day. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brandon, and around here you can expect a variety of videos on a number of fabulous topics. So let's get into it. So I've got another unboxing for you guys today from the Coach outlet. If you saw my vlog from last weekend, you'll know that I did go to the Coach outlet at the Woodburn Premium Outlets and checked out the Shine collection, but I had already placed an order for one of the bags in that collection, and I ordered another bag, which is the outlet version of a flagship bag that I already have in my collection. So I'm excited to do a little comparison between the flagship bag and the outlet bag. This is the bag that I'm going to be comparing to the outlet version. Is my Ruby Satchel. I believe it's the 25, but I could be wrong. All right, I don't want to babble on too long, which I'm pretty sure I've already done. So hopefully you can see this big box I got from the outlet. The only thing I've done so far is rip off my address. So let's get into it. In typical Coach outlet fashion, everything is just kind of thrown in here. So let's just grab the items. Here's what I imagine is the tote that I'm comparing to my Ruby Satchel. Stay. This is the bag from the Shine collection. Stay. And then I also got a little wallet. So let's yeet this box and get into it. All right, since I already talked your guys' ear off about the comparison, I'm just gonna do that one first. This is all covered, so I'm gonna have to unbag all this and then we can talk about it. So we've freed it from its wrappings. I saw this in the outlet over the weekend, and I already know this is a beautiful blue color. It has suede sides, and it has the fabulous silver hardware, which if you watched my vlog last weekend, you'll note that that was a topic of discussion a lot for me, was the color of the hardware. I'm just getting really sick of the gold, y'all. Let me know if you feel the same, but I love me some silver hardware. So this is the leather Rowan satchel in the denim blue. I'll spin it around for you guys. You can see that there's a back zipper, and it does come with a crossbody strap, which I'll show you in just a minute, but I'm going to try and show the other camera the tag, so if you guys are interested in finding it yourself, you can. So already I can tell you one thing that's different between this bag and my 1941 Ruby Satchel is the weight difference. Now I haven't unstuffed this yet, and I'm not sure that I'm going to today, just because I've already made a huge mess that I'm gonna have to clean up, and I gotta cook dinner still. But just like the weight difference between this, and this is empty, it's unstuffed, and this, which has like paper stuffing in it, this is significantly heavier than this bag. So that's interesting, and I kind of figured as much because of the leather quality it's different. I mean, obviously this is an outlet item versus the retail item, glove tan leather versus like just a basic pebbled leather. But I do appreciate that it is lighter. Okay guys, so here is the Ruby Satchel 25 next to the Rowan Satchel from the outlet. I'll try and do some size comparisons here so you can see. These bags are very similar in size. In this measurement, here and here, it's very similar. In width as well, I think the Ruby Satchel is just a little bit wider, so let's move this back and show you. I would say the Rowan Satchel is ever so slightly smaller in this measurement, but it's fairly slight. Comparing these bags side by side, you can definitely tell that there's some cost saving that went into the outlet version versus the retail location bag. Some of those being the handle is a lot more sturdy on the Ruby Satchel. You've got your nice solid hang tag and key clochette. This only comes with a little hang tag there. The leather quality is much different between these two bags as well. This is genuine glove tanned leather, as is indicated on the bottom. Whereas this is a mix between a pebbled leather and a suede. Other small details distinguishing these two from outlet versus retail. You've got leather pulls on the Ruby Satchel. You have some additional details here on the end. Also notably, the Rowan Satchel has a back zipper, whereas the Ruby Satchel does not. I would say the handle length is fairly similar, if not a little bit longer on the Coach or the outlet version bag. The handle does seem a little bit longer in this measurement. Taking a look at the insides of these bags, the outlet bag, which I went ahead and unstuffed, is a canvas cloth material. Has a zipper on one side, a pouch on the other. The creed is right there. On the inside of the Ruby Satchel, it is suede. We have two pockets here with the leather lining and a zipper pocket over there with the creed. Briefly comparing the straps, you can tell that the width of the Ruby Satchel strap is wider than the outlet strap. The buckle choice is a little bit different. This has this metal piece in the middle that spins versus this is one solid piece of brass or some brass-like material. And a crossbody strap, really, I think they're fairly comparable. They're a different style, they're a different finish, and they're a different hardware, and obviously they will behave the same. So there's around a $200 US difference between these two bags. If you are a leather connoisseur and pay a lot of attention to the detail and design, you will see that $200 in this bag with just the level of quality and attention to detail. Whereas this bag, you can tell it is an outlet item. That being said, I think that both of these bags have their moment. I am really enjoying this bag. I love the blue suede. I love the color of it. The hardware is really lovely to me. And so I'm really glad that I ultimately decided to pick this bag up. This is the first bag that I picked up from the Coach outlet online. So far, first impressions are I really like it. I do love me a top handle satchel, and I'm excited to put this one to use. So let's get into the rest of my packages. The second bag, this is from the Shine collection, and I'm very excited to get into it. So again, we'll do the unwrapping in silent for you guys. All right, so the second bag is out, and it is a very simple, I know I kept saying it's from the Shine collection, and you might have been imagining one of the kind of metallic colored bags, but it is not. I will show you why it's part of the Shine collection here in a second. But this is just the Jamie camera bag. I'll show you guys the tag. if you're interested in getting it. This is the regular size Jamie. There's a smaller size to this. I love me a good camera bag, and I've been in the market for a black one. I do have this exact same bag in a red plaid print that I got last season during Christmas time, and I loved it. It's perfect size for me. And so I was excited to get this in just an all black, and I almost purchased the full retail equivalent because it went on clearance. But again, it had gold hardware and just not into it. I'm going to peek inside. I didn't with the other one because I did leave this stuffed for now because I'm not going to use it this week. But I'm going to peek in the inside and see what color the lining is. Okay. I'll see if I can show you guys on this camera. It's kind of a maroon brown fabric lining, which I have no complaints about. Okay, let me show you why this is part of the Shine collection. And that is the absolutely fabulous studded crossbody strap. I'll show you guys. This is a little bit wider than most of their straps are. I think the camera bags come in a slightly wider strap. This is just, I love it. I love the studs. I think it's coming back. It's very 90s, like early 2000s. I definitely had a studded belt in high school. It was the look then. So yeah, I'm into this.
Brief editor's note. This bitch was not in high school in the 90s.
I really like it. I think it'll be fun. Obviously, camera bag, you have to carry crossbody, so this is going to be the perfect strap. I am envisioning like a really cool moto jacket that I don't own to go with this bag. So yeah, I'm excited. I think this is a great little addition to my collection. Simple, easy, and it's going to be perfect for when I'm just like on the run. Last item on the unboxing trio is just a little wallet, so I'm going to pop this open and get into it. All right, guys, this is just to match my little camera bag. It is, I honestly don't know what this one's called. I'll link it below and see if I can figure it out on this one. Zip card case, very creative. Here is the tag if you're interested. I really like this layout of a wallet. It has, cover my face, then maybe you can see it. There we go. It's got 4 card slots, a large card slot here. It has a zipper pouch there, and it's just plain on the back. I like this one. It's good for, I don't carry that many cards, at least I try not to. And I like the zipper pouch because it's for like cash and change. So that's all I've got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys coming and hanging out with me today. Since I'm pretty new to YouTube, I haven't committed myself to a posting schedule, but over the last few weeks, I've found that posting videos on Friday and Sunday works best for me. So keep an eye out on my channel on those days, and I will do my best to provide you with some content. Drop some comments below and let me know what you thought of these Coach Outlet items, what you'd like to see from my channel in the future, as I have posted a variety of videos now. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. You can find me on TikTok and Instagram at BVPDX. Thanks again for watching, and until next week, I'll see you later. Bye.